The next tool here is tag all, that add tags to multiple elements in one view, or one step actually. However, we can add the tags on multiple categories that we specify in tag all not tagged. Okay, let's talk about how does it work. For instance, let me delete all of the existing tags in the view, and then if I want to tag on all of these columns or other elements in one step, we click on tag all not tagged. Afterwards, here we got a list of categories or the elements, the existing elements in the view or in the project actually. And right now, for instance, we don't have the foundations, okay? So let me add the isolated foundations, then I load one. Afterwards, I open the structural foundation. Then I add one of the structural foundation as an example. Right now, you're from Annotation tab. If I click on Tag All Not Tagged, in this part, structural foundation is it does not exist because no tag is loaded for the foundations in this project. So we have to load the tags in order to show the tags, I mean the loaded tags. Anyway, when I click on tag all not tags, that in this part we got three options. The first one, all objects in current view. As you can see, that it enlists all of the objects in the current view. As you can see, it includes all of the elements in the current view. I mean, if I modify the crop view, watch this, some of the elements are not visible, but if I open tag all not tags, we are just seeing these windows, the rest of them are hidden, okay? So I should say that when we set it to all objects in the current view, it considers the objects that are visible in the current view, or they are inside the crop view. The next one is only selected objects in the current view. So, firstly, we have to have some elements selected at first. For instance, if I select these windows, and then from Annotate tab, if I click on Tag All, watch this, it is enabled or available. So if we check it, and then if I check tag, window tag, then the tags will be placed on the windows. Control Z. And the next one is include element from linked file. That if we enable this, we can include the elements from the linked file as well. Let me open another file to make you an example about this. And then I draw a wall here, like this way. Check it out. And I want to add some windows here. Well done. Then I save the file as and assign the name for it. For instance, tag link. Anyway, then I close this and I close the family. Afterwards, from Insert tab, link Revit, then I link it to this file, like this way. Then wait for a second, and then I move this. Here we have imported the linked file. Right now, from Annotate tab, tag all. If I set it to doors, all objects in the current view, if I click on apply, it will be applied only on the current project. But if I check include elements from the linked files, watch this, the tag will be placed on the linked files as well. This is the function of this. Control Z to move on. In the continuation, I click on tag all. Here there is two important points. Here if you when you open the visibility graphics, when you see the tags not checked, for instance, door tags, I uncheck it. I mean, if I place a door tag, watch this, it won't be visible. Okay, cancel. So in visibility graphics from annotation tag, as you remember, I have unchecked the door tag. After doing this, then if I use tag all not tags and then I click on doors, okay, watch this, the visibility graphic settings is set to uh, hide the category in the view. Do you want to enable it? Door tags, as you can see. So we have to change the settings of the visibility graphics for tags. If we click on OK, then the door tags will be set to visible in the visibility graphics overrides. Let's check it out. As you can see, door tag is checked automatically. Again, right click, I select all of the tags and then I delete them. And the next point is that when let me duplicate from this view, and then if we use view templates in the view, architectural, fine, detail level, then for the override annotations, I want to uncheck door tag. Okay, apply and okay. Then I am into the architectural, view template, okay, and door tag is not checked. If I click on tag all and then I check door tags, apply, watch this, your assigned view template is preventing the categories from displaying. Do you want to edit the view template? So it says that as we have unchecked door tags in the visibility graphics, the tags cannot be visible. If we click on OK, then in assigned view template, the template will be selected. Then we have to check the door tag manually in order to show the tags in the view or view template. So please put these 2 points into consideration. Again, we get back to the view. The next one is we got a checklist. We can add the leaders, the leader length, and the tag orientation, horizontal and vertical. And then we click on OK. Then the tags will be added on the selected categories. So this was about tag all not tag, that we can place the tags only in one step. And note that when we minimize or resize the crop view, then we cannot add the tags on the hidden elements. So only the visible elements can be tagged.